Hi everyone. Assalamu alaikum. How was the flavor of your day? It was also well with the grace of Almighty. I am really delighted to have the opportunity to introduce myself before some wonderful audience like you. Well, my full name is Mahabub, but you can simply call me Mahabub. I am an 18 years old student and currently I have completed my SSC examination. So, my recent goal is to secure admission on a good college. Okay. I hail from Kumilla, but currently I reside in Nandipara, Shabuzbag, Dhaka. There are 5 members in my family: my father, my mother, my 2 younger brothers, and one and only me. Okay, let's talk about my personality choice. I really like the people who are brave, jolly, and kind-hearted. On the other hand, I really dislike the people who are malicious and spiteful. That I can say that malicious and spiteful behavior. Okay, then let's talk about my hobbies. I really like to spend my time by reading books, watching movies, exercising, and playing games. I also help my father in his business. Okay, let's talk about my future goals. When I was a kid, I always wanted to become a military arms specialist because I was the biggest fan of Marvel Studios. Okay, but now I'm passionate about to becoming a doctor, and in future I want to becoming a doctor who has a great knowledge about artificial intelligence because in future I want to combine this all fields, that both fields, to bringing a revolution in the human science, in the medical science. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your time and attention.